It has been a while since I haven't really reviewed any trading software that has been launched. And the questions are always on top. And you guys are always asking me, hey Chris, is there a new software coming in? What software can I use to make money? And actually last week, I got an invitation to be a beta tester on a new software that was going to be launched. And it's already launched, by the way. And in this specific video, I want to give you my results out of this specific software. Hi everyone, this is Christian here on YouTube and welcome to a brand new video for the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my results of last week's beta testing with a brand new trading software that was launched actually yesterday. And I'm really excited to show you these results because I had never been a beta tester before of any software. All I did was actually, pay for my stuff and so on. But in this specific occasion, I got invited to give it a try, which I actually found it really cool. So in this specific video, we're gonna talk about this brand new trading software. But if you're new to my channel and you're into binary options, Forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, then this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and activate the notifications bell icon so that you get a notification for every new video that I upload. With that being said, let's jump into the video. All right, everyone, before I actually jump into the content of this video, I just want to inform you and make it clear I am not affiliated with this software whatsoever, and I don't have a way to, because a lot of people ask me all the time, hey Chris, can you change this or do this differently? And unfortunately, I'm not the owner of the software, so all I did was actually to just give it a review, and more importantly, to test it before giving you a review. Otherwise, it wouldn't be fair that you actually didn't see the results live from the actual trading software. So just that out of the way, I'm not the owner with the software or affiliated with the software at all, but I just gave it a try and these are just my results. With that being said, now let's dive right into it. And this new trading software is called Bitcoin Mobile Profits. And this software was actually launched yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. According to their email, it was that it was going to be launched on February the 15th. And this is the actual homepage. You guys will be able to find the link in the description of this video so you can check it out. But one of the coolest things and that you need to understand in regards to this software is that it's mostly oriented to the crypto movement, more specifically on Bitcoin and all the coins that move around Bitcoin, such as Ethereum, Litecoin, and so on. So basically what the website does, it says right here that they have 270,000 users. I'm not sure that's actually true. This is just numbers that they put in right here. They are available in 83 plus countries, which that's actually awesome, with a 95% satisfaction. Now, I'm going to be part of the ones given the review or my actual feedback in regards to it. So then you're gonna understand whether it's 95 or not. Then it says how it works. You just need to join and so on. It's a free sign up. You need to deposit into your broker in order to activate it and then start making money. It says guaranteed profits, maybe the best online investment system ever to invest in the most profitable markets. Do remember that they're always going to say they're the best ones, but it's suitable for different types of people, right? But I actually found it really cool. They do have availability on their phone as well. I used it on my computer because you guys know how it is. I do recommend you to go into the actual website and check it out on your own so that you fully understand everything in regards to this specific website. So once you actually are ready, you can create the account. You can change it, the language into Spanish. And if you already have an account, then you can just go ahead and log in. Now, this is the actual trading platform inside of it. And this is the way it actually works. the way it works is two different ways. Number one, it's a semi-automated system, which are these ones right here that says most profitable assets of the day. And it actually allows you to trade, which means clicking on the button and it will take you to your broker so that you can place the trade manually. It's not going to trade automatically for you. It's just going to take you to your broker. But I actually found that really, really irrelevant or useless, because at the end of the day, you're just gonna have two windows open and place a trade in your broker. But that's the second way to do it. And the main way to actually do it, as you can see, it says right here, trading signals. What I mean by trading signals, and this is the actual, how can I put it, the actual probability of the trade to be a winner, which is a thumbs up. Like that way you can actually choose like what's the lowest risk and so on. And when you click on the arrow or on the plus sign or whatever you want to, then you will be able to actually see this. The pair, NEO against US dollar, then the order direction, which is the sell. This is the entry point. This is the take profit, and this is the stop loss. And this is when the trade, the signal was actually sent, which is today. Remember that during the weekends, in some brokers, you can trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. I don't trade during the weekend, but it's really up to you. But if you actually take a look at it, it's got everything that you need. So all you need to do is just enter either a pending order or a real order and just wait for the results. So that's actually awesome. Now, for the ones that don't trade cryptocurrencies, such as myself, you guys can see this, that we have availability to trade regular currencies. This one was actually sent, it says on the 14th. I'm not sure if it was sent on the 14th. But if we actually take a look at one signal that was sent on the 12th, we will see AUD, the Australian dollar against the US dollar. Then we have the direction, which is a sell position. Then we have the entry price, we have the take profit, and the stop loss. This was created on February the 12th, and so on. Now, obviously right now I'm recording this on Sunday, so that's the reason why there's not that much movement. But usually during the weekdays, there are a lot more trades right here on top of it. And these are the ones that I placed myself, the ones that says most profitable assets of the day. Why? Because apparently the algorithm inside of the actual trading platform will choose the best ones and most profitable trades and place them right there, so that you can actually go with the ones with highest probability to be winners. But I haven't really tried these ones right here, but I'm 100% sure that the results will be similar, since it's basically using the same algorithm. Now, I know you're gonna ask me this question. You're gonna say, Chris, which one should I go with? Should I go with the semi-automated, which are these ones right here, or should I just follow the signals? Now, whichever you prefer are actually good. But in my personal opinion, it's actually easier to follow the actual signals, because as you can see on this specific most profitable assets of the day, it doesn't really have a take profit or stop loss, right? So if you click on it, it will take you to your broker in the open position, but you will need to choose the lot size, the take profit, and the stop loss. While if you actually go in here, and if you want to do that, that's actually fine. If you know what you're doing, you can control your risk reward and so on. But if what you're looking for is something easier to understand, easier to follow, and more importantly, if you have a beginner and what you want is just being told what to do with the trades in order to avoid risks, then this is the way to go. The signals will actually tell you everything that you need to understand and you need to put. As you can see, there are even two positions. It's actually the same position repeated for a buy position right here, and the take profit and the stop loss right here. Now, one thing that I realized in regards to it is that the trades, the signals are super low in pips, which means that they are mostly scalping trades. When it comes to crypto, now they have a little bit more of distance on pips and so on. So they might be day trading positions, but most of them were actually scalping trades, which is not bad at all. Some of my trades were 15 pips, 10 pips, and so on, which is also profitable, but just so that you understand and have an idea. Now, if we continue to look at the actual part of the platform and so on, we have the operations history. This is just how signals were actually sent. You also have availability to use TradingView inside of the platform if that's what you want to. And this is something that I found really, really interesting. And this is an education center inside of the actual trading platform. Why is it that they put it in there? Because they teach you what is Forex before they jump into sending you the signals. So as you can see, they have Forex trading day, which means what is they trading in Forex, spread betting, introduction to training, investing versus training, long and short positions, chart times and time frames, Japanese candlesticks, what are pips, what are lots, leverage and margin, what is an analysis, and so on. And then you can continue with the training. This one says, for instance, stop loss and limit orders. And then if you click on it, you will be taken to these videos that are pretty short, but they do teach you what is it that you're doing. So find it super valuable, because you probably already know that, in my opinion, education is the best thing that you can get. And all of this is 100% free, already included, which I find it super, super valuable. Now it's actually time for me to show you my first week's results. Now, before I actually jump into it, this is the broker that I already had in the past with the previous software I used, Invest Markets. I didn't want to deposit on a new one, but I had to, of course I had to, but I decided to deposit the minimum, which was $250, and then actually jump and use this one, which has $1,000 in it. And the broker that I actually got assigned, and this is super interesting, is X Central, which is a regulated broker. So this basically means that even though it's a software, and this is one of the main complaints that I see a lot of people having with previous softwares, is getting assigned a broker that is not regulated or doesn't have a license. But this specific software does work with regulated brokers, which I actually find it really profitable and trusted. Now, this is the one that this is the session that I was able to have during this specific week. And let me just go ahead and get the pen right here, because the colors don't really help a lot. It's just plain gray or whatever. But if we actually take a look at it, we place it to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positions. Out of those 7 positions, we lost a total of 2 positions. So that basically means that 5 positions we won, 5 out of 10 positions. So that's a 71% accuracy, which is decent, but it's not the most important thing in Forex. Why is that? It's because the actual risk reward was 2.5 in profit, 2.5 in risk reward, which I find it to be super cool. As you can see, the ones that we lost $20 and $30. I just want to point out as well that some of the positions I actually enter less a lot size, but as you can see, the ones that we won is 110, 101, 120, 119, and 122. These are the profits that we were able to make on these positions, and they basically gave us a total profit, already deducting the ones that we lost, of $523.20. This was just in this specific week. And like I said, I place my trades manually right here in advanced trades, obviously, and I place my positions in here. And at this specific moment, this is the broker that I'm going to continue using. And I got the signals from the actual signal section, and I just placed it manually, set the take profit and the stop loss. I closed a couple of trades manually because they actually reached the take profit, but due to spread, it wasn't closed and it started retracting. So I prefer to close it manually. But overall, the system itself proved to be profitable. Now, there are a few cons and pros that I want to mention for this specific software. I'm going to go first with the cons, with the negative side. And one of the things that I actually find negative is that the system itself doesn't have some sort of alert telling you when there's a new signal coming. So you actually have to be right here and keep on refreshing the page in order to see a new signal. So for instance, you actually got this signal right here, but if you don't refresh your page, then you're not gonna know when there's a new signal coming. And that might, if you're working or you're doing multitasking at home or something like that, then you're not going to be able to fully understand what is it that when a new signal is coming in. So that's actually a con. The second con is when you actually have in this specific area the option to enter the trade, which is cool, but you can't really enter the position amount or the trade amount in this specific area. Like in different softwares that I've used in the past, probably you remember I could put $100 in it, and then when I click on trade, it would take me and do the conversion on the lot size depending on the actual balance that I had. But this one does not have that option. So out of those two cons, I think that's pretty much it, because at the end of the day, it's a tool that I find super useful overall. Now, talking about the pros, we're looking at the accuracy, we're looking at the simplicity of the actual page, the charts and so on. The education is a huge pro. And it's something that we actually need to take advantage of, because there's going to be a lot of people who are going to see the educational material, but they're not going to go through it. And that's actually going to affect yourself. So go through it. That's a different pro. And the fourth pro is actually the point number 7 on this video, which is how can you join this specific trading software. And the pro is that it's 100% free. It doesn't charge you anything. And all you need to do is actually, when you register, you will get assigned a broker. You need to deposit with that broker in order to activate the software, and you're gonna start using it 100% free. Now, some people are going to ask, hey Chris, how can they actually give it away for free? How do they make money and so on? I'm not 100% sure how it works, but I can tell you from my own personal experience, I've seen people, I have gotten approaches from brokers asking me to pay me instead of the users for like for instance, the apps that I have. They want to pay me if I actually use just the registration as a method to get the app for free. So you can register with the system, you get assigned a broker, and when you deposit, you get it for free because the broker is paying me. For instance, if I accepted that offer, it's paying me instead of you paying me. I don't know exactly how is it that they do it. I know they get commission from your deposits and so on, and our deposits, because I deposit as well. I'm not 100% sure how it works, but that's how the system goes, okay? The broker pays the system in order for you to actually get it 100% free. Now, don't ask me that many questions in regards to it, because I'm not fully familiar, and I'm not sure if they will answer that question to me if I ever ask them. I think it's part of their privacy, but I just gave you an idea as to how I think it works. And based on my own experience, that's what I got offered. So yeah, I wanted to show you this specific software in this video. I know it got longer than usual, but I hope you really enjoyed the content of it. And if you want to be part of it, remember that I'm having the link in the description of this video. It's not an affiliated link or anything like that. It's really up to you if you want to give it a try. I'm going to continue using it to see if the results go well. And more importantly, leave your feedback below so that I can go ahead and check it out and see if I continue doing reviews on it, or I prefer to look for something else. So I hope you really enjoyed the content of this video, and if you did, smash the like button. And more importantly, if you have any questions or comments to share, you can use the comment section below. And for more videos just like this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.